Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Royalty, and welcome back. And as you guys can see from the title, today I will be showing you guys how to create your own custom hang tags. There is no need to order anything, and again, this is very inexpensive, it's quick, it's cheap, and it still looks amazing. So before we go ahead and get started with the video, please go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Number one, make sure you guys subscribe and follow my podcast. The link is below. And again, make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. That's key. If you guys want to follow me on all social media platforms, if you guys want to see my fittings with my clients, if you guys want to see all of my clients go to their weddings, their proms, and etc., follow me on all social media platforms. All of my links are below. Okay, first I'm going to go over the materials that I have to make your own hang tags. Okay, I got this yarn from the 99-cent store. This is exactly what it looks like. It's your regular cheap yarn. As you guys can see, the colors of my company are gold, black, and white. So I got this in gold. This was $1. Next, I got these from Michaels. This is a chalkboard tag. As you guys can see right here, I got it from Michaels. If you guys can see the size, that's the size. And again, right here, there's a hole that you can attach the string to. Very simple. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what they actually look like. So this is what the tag looks like. It's very simple. They do bend. And this is the other side, and compared to my hand, this is the actual size. You can buy this from Amazon, from Michaels, or your local 99-cent store or craft store. Next, I got these bulb safety pins. The size is a 2 mm. I got 100 pieces for $5, and I got mine from Seal Thread. And these are the pins where they look like a bulb. Basically, they're round. I don't know if you can see that shape, but they're kind of like round. Can you guys see it? Let me show you guys the actual, okay, perfect. See, that is the shape. Next was very important. You guys can do this step, but you guys don't have to. You can actually get a business card and get a hole puncher and put the hole on your business card and attach the string, and that's a hang tag. But what I did was I got my my logo and of course myself printed out on stickers. I got my stickers from Amazon. I already had this custom made already with my signature, my logo name, and a picture of myself. The only thing that I added to this was the black and white mark. So of course these are stickers. I got these from Amazon. Go ahead to Amazon. They're very inexpensive. I don't remember the price that I paid though. I think it was like $10, or it was very cheap though. And I got like a lot of them from Amazon. I got a lot of them, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own custom hang tag. So you're gonna get your hang tag just like this, right? Very inexpensive. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get my sticker that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. If it comes off, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off, right? Then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna place it right in the center. All right, so I'm gonna make sure it's even. Smooth that out, smooth that out. Make sure it's flat. Now you could put your picture on both sides, but I'm just gonna put, you know, my picture on one side because all you need is one. And that's the start to your hang tag, and this is exactly what it should look like. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get my gold and white yarn. I'm gonna take a nice generous size, something like this. Get my scissors and get my thread. I'm gonna get my fancy thread, put it through the hole, and this is what you should have. You should have your string and you should have your hang tag. And then next you guys will tie a knot. It's very simple, it's inexpensive. You guys can pay to get custom hang tags, but why pay when you can do it yourself? And now with the, you know, coronavirus, I don't want to order anything, so why not just make your own, you know? So you tie a knot, you just tie a simple knot like that, and then you'll cut off the excess thread like this. It's very simple, just like this. And then the next thing and the last thing you guys do, you'll get your bulb pins, and then you put it right in there, and that's it. So here's the pen. If you guys can see, there's the size of the pen. Here's my string, and here's my hang tag. So when you guys have a garment like this, It's normally placed right here under the arm so that, you know, when your client is trying it on, it can be seen. Just like in stores. You can put it here. You can actually put it like on the wrist if you really wanted to. You can put it on the shoulder. But normally it's always right under the arm seam. Literally like right here. So it can hang. And it looks very professional, guys. It's very clean, very professional. It's inexpensive and you can do it yourself. And that's it, guys. It's very simple. That's exactly how you make your own custom hang tags. It's very simple, it's very inexpensive. Again, I'm gonna go over the products you guys will need for this. Go to Amazon or get them custom made. They're regular stickers. The only thing that you guys will need to do is get a picture of yourself or your logo, and that's it. Again, I got mine from Amazon. The next thing you guys will need is bulb safety pins. You guys can get any safety pin, but the bulbs are way better, and the needle on the bulb safety pin is very small, so it won't damage your items. And again, I got mine from Sealed Thread in the Garment District, or you can just Google them and you can find them on Amazon for very cheap. The next thing you guys will need is your thread. This is basically your decor thread. As you guys can see the texture, you guys can see the color. And it's always best to get something that matches your brand. And of course, the colors of my brand are gold, white, and black for classic royalty. And the next thing that you guys will need, and the last thing that's very important, you guys will need your tags. You can get them in brown and white. You can get them in any color and in any size. The black one just fits my brand because the colors of my brand again are black, gold, and white. So these are super cool. So again, I have all of your products here, and that's exactly how you make your hang tags. Very simple. This is a short video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are gonna go ahead and try to make your own tags, give it a thumbs up. If you guys think I should add another sticker behind on this side, give it a thumbs up, or let me know in a comment, hey Anita, put a sticker on the other side, or what else can I add on this side? Can I add my signature? Can I write thank you? What else do you think I can write, or should I just leave it alone like this? I think I'm gonna leave it, but let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Let me know in the comments what other things you guys would like to see me do. But that's all for this video. It's very short. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to create your own custom hang tags for your garments. I highly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.